The biggest achievement with QuickWorks was the ISO9001, but it's also just freed up a lot of time, so it's been instrumental in the success of the business.
My name is Peter Mulraney. I'm the owner of Mulraney Components. We are a precision CNC machining company and we're based in the West Midlands.
The biggest challenge before using QuickWorks was keeping track of the production. We're using spreadsheets and getting the spreadsheets to talk to one another. It's hard to keep track of everything through the production process, from quoting to final dispatch.
QuickWorks has enabled me to get the jobs quoted faster, which means the client's got it, which has a chance for me to get the order faster as well.
And new jobs, once they're on the system, we have the record then of the operations, the cycle times. We can plan work better, give customers more accurate lead times, give updates to customers at a glance. It just simplified everything very quickly.
So speed-wise, I could have a quote done in 2 to 3 minutes. Previously, it was all done on either Excel spreadsheets or Word documents, and you're filling them out. This fills out boxes and text boxes very quickly.
It's all in one area. You're not having to deal with separate spreadsheets, separate programs. And it gives us the traceability. And as I said, without QuickWorks, we would have struggled to achieve the ISO 9001.
And it saved countless man hours to do different tasks. And we've now run it for 3 years.
So if somebody was sat on the fence about whether to go with QuickWorks or another product, I'd just explain to them that the system is simple to use, pick it up very quickly, very simple to get the information you want from the system. It's been nothing but an asset to our business.